Hello class, this is Fernando Hernandez and I'm going to present my enhancement 2. First of all, I want to present the connection file. I break my code right here by deleting some characters in the username. So I want to run this code in the browser so you can see the error page, and there is the connection has failed. So we see the 500 error page. I'm going to add the connection to my file, and then I'm going to try it again. Okay, so now we see the white screen. That is what we're supposed to do, or what we're supposed to see when the connection has been successfully. Secondly, I'm going to present my queries for the SQL. And first of all, I had the three tables: the category, the client, and the inventory. As you can see, the client's table is completely empty. So I'm going to use the SQL to execute this queries. And first of all, I'm going to create the Tony Stark user in my client's table. So I paste the code that is already pre-built, and I press run, and everything is fine. A row have been inserted, so now we can go back to the clients and see that the client Tony Stark is right here as with the client label number 1. Secondly, we had to reassign the client label from 1 to 3. So I'm going to run the second query, and one row will be affected. Okay, so we will go back to the clients table, and now we see that the client label is number 3. Okay, now we had to update the inventory. So we had to replace the nylon word for climbing. So I'm going to show you the table in the inventory, and as you can see, we have the nylon rope here, and we have nylon in the inventory description also. Okay, so this code should change all the nylon words that we found, but not this one that is the inventory style fill. Okay, so I'm going to run the SQL now to update the inventory. Okay, one row have been affected. So we go back to the inventory table, and we see that now we have climbing rope, and the climbing rope in the description also. Next query, we had to join two rows from different tables in a single one. So I'm going to run this code, and we're supposed to receive 7 results from this. That includes the category items from Mixer, that is the category ID number 3. I run this code, and so showing 7 total. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 items in our new table. Lastly, we have to delete from the inventory the contingent CCX car, and as you can see in the table, this item is in number 7. with the ID number 7. So now I'm going to run my last query, and it's going to ask me if I want to execute because it's a delete query. So it's just to make sure that is what we want to do. Press OK, and we see that one row have been affected. We came back to the inventory, and now we have the number 6 ID and the ID number 8. So the number 7 have been deleted from our inventory table.